everyone, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Julia and I'm going to be your conductor. Up front we have our motorist Zoe. She's going to take us to the main entrance, but we do have a courtesy stop along the way in Carthay Circle, the center of the park. Now as we slowly make our way back into Hollywood Land, here we are popular for all of our indoor attractions. Like on the left hand side, you are going to see this blue building, which is going to be our animation building. There's a couple of shows in there, like Turtle Talk with Crush. You can talk to the sea turtle from Finding Nemo. Now on the right hand side, we are going to be passing through Mickey's Philhar Magic, because it's going to be a 3D theatrical show with Mickey, Donald, and friends. Now if you are getting hungry, right next to it we also do have award wieners. They're going to be the only hot dogs here in Hollywood Land. Now if you are looking for corn dogs, though, we do have Corn Dog Castle near Goofy Sky School. Now on the left hand side we're going to be passing through the Disney Junior Dance Party, where the little ones could dance with Vampirina and Mickey and the Roadster Racers. Their live show time will be at 4 o'clock if you are interested. Now, if you happen to be here later tonight, we do have our World of Color show. We will have it at 9 o'clock and 10:15 near the Ferris wheel. But with that, on the right-hand side, we're going to be passing through our silver popcorn stand, popular for being the only one to serve fresh caramelized popcorn on the spot. So if you're craving something sweet and savory, you could always order it half and half. But with that, we are slowly approaching to our courtesy stop here in Carthay Circle. This is going to be the closest to Pixar Pier, Avengers Campus, Tarzan, Cruisy Peak, and San Francisco. So please remain seated until the trolley comes to complete full stop and the lights turn on. From here, our next stop will be the main entrance. This is Carthay Circle.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Those who just hopped on board, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Julia and I'm going to be your conductor. But as we continue on the left-hand side, we are going to be passing through my favorite attraction. That is going to be Starbucks. Now, fun fact about this Starbucks, this is actually the very first Starbucks to open up in any Disneyland resort. So on opening day, they did open with a 2 to 3 hour wait time. Right next to it, we do have Clarabelle's Ice Cream, where not only can you get hand-scooped ice cream, but they do also offer ice cream bars that you can custom make yourself. Right next to that, we also do have Trolley Treats Candy. But if you look very closely at their display window, though, you will see this candy mountain. Now, fun fact, that is what Matterhorn originally was supposed to look like. Now, if you are looking for any characters to take pictures and autographs, down here in the roundabout and Buena Vista Street is actually the common place. Since we are in Easter on the right, we do have under these red umbrellas, if you do want to be part of our egg scavenger hunt, that is a great place to start right there. Once again, as long as we don't have a line down here, you guys are more than welcome to stay on board.